Sonya Cohen could one day be seen as a walking miracle.
I want to say thank you for everything. You saved my life. I was in a poor condition and now I'm better.
Coming to the hospital with COVID-19, she was unable to breathe. She was placed in intensive care and needed oxygen. That's when Professor Nadir Arbor came to her and asked if she would be part of a clinical trial for a new drug. Sonya said yes.
From the first dose of the trial drug, it's possible to say I felt a lot better. After 2 days, I got off the oxygen in stages and I could breathe.
Doctors here at Ichilov Hospital believe they have found a cure to the COVID-19 virus. They say just 5 doses from a little bottle like this could end the worldwide pandemic.
This is a drug. It is very simple. You give it to patients with severe disease before they are going to deteriorate into very severe disease that mandate ventilations and even mortality.
Professor Arbor is Director of Research on developing the anti-coronavirus drug XOCD24, a treatment derived from a cell line established from a child aborted decades ago.
We don't really treat the corona, we treated the endpoint. There is overreactions of the immune system. The immune system is acting furiously and mainly in the lung, releasing a lot of cytokines and chemokines that usually fight infections, but now they're destroying the lung tissue.
That's the point they intervene and administer their treatment, which Arbor says interrupts this cytokine storm.
And we give it by inhalation. It's very simple. It takes 2 to 3 minutes per day, and you do it for 5 days. So we enrolled 30 patients in a phase 1, and we checked for safety. And the drug was very safe, no side effects whatsoever.
All 30 patients in that phase 1 trial recovered.
And most of them went home after 3 to 5 days.
While Arbor believes the vaccination push is important, he also feels this drug could have an even bigger impact if the remaining 2 phases of important human trials are successful.
The biggest advantage of my drug, if it's effective of course, is that I can produce it fast, efficient and cheap. Within a few months I can supply the entire world needs.
Arbor recently briefed Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu on the treatment's progress. Later, at a press conference with the visiting Greek Prime Minister, Netanyahu praised results and reported Greek hospitals would join in the clinical trials.
If you're infected by corona and you're seriously ill and you have a lung problem, you take this, you inhale this with a saline solution, and you come out feeling good.
Arbor says many more countries want to participate, and he believes this could be just the beginning.
And then it's going to be the platform for many other diseases with overreaction like autoimmune disease in the lung and the entire body.
Julie Stahl, CBN News, Ichilov Hospital, Tel Aviv.